As always, attending trainings like this doesn't make you a better leader. Just attending, no, doesn't make you a better leader. Acting on it. Yung pagkatapos ng training, may gagawin kayo. That's what makes you a better leader. And I don't have control or hold over what you're going to do after this training. Even the company, no, ang alam lang ng kumpanya, kailangan mag-invest sa inyong development. Okay? And we don't have a sophisticated enough system para i-monitor kung yung mga natututunan nyo po ba ay ginagamit ninyo. So in short, it's completely up to you. Okay? So pwedeng we breeze through today's session and then after that, parang walang nangyari, no? Okay? But again, it's your choice, no? I cannot teach you anything you don't want to learn. So ito ang aking recommendation sa inyo and I hope you will seriously consider this as we go through today.